All right, so we're here with Dylan Waxler. He's out in Southwest Florida, but what we're going to do is set up his ad account. We're going to go over a few different aspects so that you can apply this information to your ad account and basically copy this. So you're going to go to business.facebook.com and you're going to create an ad uh, right here. You're going to have an ad. You're going to name it whatever you want, and then you're going to get into this, and it's going to start right here and say um, what do you want to do. So we're going to go with lead generation. We want to generate leads. So excuse me, we're going to click with that, and then you can name the campaign, a magic black box or however you want to name it. And now you're going to go in here and name that ad set, because a campaign you can have a lot of different ad sets within it. So you want to create, Adam's blog. If you're going to be doing this ad that we're doing, and you can do any name. Then we're going to connect your Facebook page. So you're going to have to make sure that you have to read and accept Facebook's lead ads. If you don't see your Facebook page, you can click on there and check the right one, but you need to click that, click agree, and if it's already there, you've accepted. Perfect. Now you can choose the page that you want, and from that section, and then choose, and then make sure you agree to the terms. Now, I'm going to send you guys a audience. I just have to have your ad account ID number, and you can find that on your back office, and you can send that to me, and then you can do exactly what Dylan's doing here, and you click, and you find the lookalike, and boom, and then you're going to go to the next section. And this is going to help you save money and spend less on ads for finding more targeted people. This is going to be somewhat of a decent targeted amount of people, and the size is 2.1 million that's going to be targeting. And we're going to target 23 to 36 year olds, because based off of my statistics, which I have right here, I will show you that. 1 second, Dylan, pause right there. I will show you what our ads are looking like, or what mine are that I'm running. Just the age demographic, and the sex that we're getting is male. You can view the charts, and you can see out of the demographics. I've turned women off because I wasn't getting any hits, but I'm getting 25 to 34. You can try 19, to 24 and see. But yeah, that's what we're doing with this, and that's why we're putting it that way. And that's the performance there. So go ahead, Dylan, and you're gonna just add. You can add your detailed targeting. I'm doing Tony Robbins breakthrough and Tony Robbins interest. You don't necessarily have to, because it doesn't look like, but you can target certain specific niches, and this all goes back to your Facebook page. It can be a personal page, or something I've been recommending that works for a lot of people is doing like a news or current event page, and things that are like relate to business and entrepreneurship, finance, business, things like that. So you can post these different things like Elevated Entrepreneur or the Washington Post, or there's a bunch of different ones, and you can kind of draw people in by having like a news type channel. And if they like that kind of stuff, and then they like to keep updates on finances or opportunities and things, and you're posting an ad of how to do 7 figures online, they would be more interested in that aspect. And so it really just doesn't matter how you want to do it. Then you can save your audience for later time, and then you're going to get to your budget, and you want to do edit placement. You can choose if you know some tactic or something, but I've heard instant articles. Dylan's heard instant articles aren't good. Instagram's good, but for the most part, you're going to be seeing your ad on Facebook feeds. But it really just depends on the ad and what it looks like. But then you're going to get to your budget, and you can do $5 a day on multiple ads, and doing $5 a day, so you do 3 to 5 ads at a time to compare. Whichever ads start doing better than the others, turn those off and double down on those ads, and get them to jump up out in front of the other ads that you have up. So then you can run your ad continuously. That's what I've been told, and I turn it off manually, here and there, especially usually through Friday through Sunday, just because of football events and different things, and people aren't really too worried about their personal situation for the most part. A lot of the times Friday through Sunday, and then once Monday hits, Monday through Thursday, they're looking to get into something else. But that's all personal preference as well. And then you can do the bid amount automatic when you get charges and impression when somebody engages with your post, like clicks on the ad or something like that. Ad scheduling, no. And then we're going to click continue, and you're going to go over to your ad name, and it's going to be whatever you want. It's blog leads or whatever. And so then we're going to go to Dylan Waxler. We're going to use the select Facebook page for the Instagram account. And with this one, we're going to do a single image, and I'll show you guys what images I'm using that you guys can use, and I need to upload into the. If you're listening to this, it should already be uploaded to the Facebook. I mean the Black Box training, but we will see. So go check that out, and you should have this picture and this picture at least, and maybe a couple others. I used this one originally, and this one outperformed it with the same target audience and the same interest. And so we're just using this exact copy though. They said it couldn't be done. Here's the proof. Breaking suburban kid creates magnetic 120K month business in record time. So we're going to use the picture, and so we'll go ahead and choose that one that you want, and I will send you this one, I guess, Dylan. Try to send this on Facebook to you. Let's see. Facebook. Dylan. All right. All right, sent those over to you. You can use the copy from the one picture, and you can use the picture for that, obviously.
All right, cool. So just save this to the desktop. This is the copy.
Yeah, just use the copy from the picture. So I can tell it to you if you want, and you can type it. They said it couldn't be done. Here's the proof. But yeah, use that one as the picture. Oh, exit out that picture of you. So just use one, perfect, and then title, yeah, or text. They said it couldn't be done. ... Here's the proof. And then display link, yeah. Okay. So 1 second. I'm not sure. Do you have a domain link for your Enagic ClickFunnels ad? I mean, Enagic ClickFunnels.
No, I believe right now. Oh, actually, yeah. I think it's just a Bitly link though.
Okay. All right. So make sure everybody, if you're watching this, to have a domain. I use and recommend whatever GoDaddy. Very simple to integrate with ClickFunnels, and so we'll just skip that part for a second. We're gonna go through this so everybody can see it, and then what you can do is you want to put your ad right there. Your link, and then you'll go down to headline, and that will be breaking in capital letters, and the little colon or semi. What is that? The two little dots. I don't know what that is called. Not semicolon, but anyway, and it's gonna say suburban kid creates magnetic 120K, and I capitalize the first letter of each word just for the sake of it looking better. It's scientifically supposed to work better online, but anyway. Kid creates magnetic 120K, so 120K dash capital A dash capital M for month, and then month, internet business.
Do you want to just put yours here for now?
Yeah, I was gonna say if you want, so that we can see it for the sake of seeing it.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'll send it over to you so you get the correct one. Um,
So we've got our text, our headline.
yeah, we're gonna put our link and then newsfeed description. You don't have to put anything there, and we'll do.
Do you like the which one of these do you like best or have been working best for you guys?
For which one?
For the button.
Oh, I don't do a button.
Okay, can you do none?
Oh,
I guess you can't.
wait, yeah, you should be able to.
Choose the action you want people to take when they see your ad. What? So you're saying they just click the link instead?
Well, yeah, they just click the picture and the box around the whole thing is supposed to just look cleaner. I would say learn more if you have to
Yeah.
have one. Sometimes you don't have to have one, and always look, guys and gals. Try to take that off because it's a cleaner look, and that's just the reason behind that. But either way, it should be fine. Should work. There's the link for that on Facebook, and then
All right. And this here, I'm gonna actually go to this too.
oh, shit, I'm not even watching the screen. My bad. Sheesh. In record time, change to IN.
I kind of want to see this. Okay, so this brings them to your website here with your GoDaddy link that you created.
Exactly. Fix that type of business in record time. It just says in, not IN.
Gotcha.
No worries. Um, yep, that's going to take them to the blog, and then Facebook Pixel. So yeah, click setup. If you guys haven't done this, you'll see pixels under the menu. If you don't do that, when you get to here, it'll have you set it up.
All right, so I'm creating it for the Enazi Black Box.
Yep, for that ad account. Exactly. So this is going to be your Enagic Pixel, and you're going to put this on the head tracking code of your sales funnel or any sales funnels that you have because you're going to, well, for Enagic. Go ahead and click set up now.
What's going on here?
Taking some time. Click reload. Wait, yeah, that's fine. Go to the little sandwich over here by Facebook ads on the left. Click pixels at the bottom. Or just go manually. Go to it. It might just be loading. Sometimes it takes time. Pixels and stuff, especially since you're just creating it and everything.
Yeah. And then when we go to ClickFunnels.
Yep. You're gonna click on the link.
Also, I had a question about this pages. Like I'm over my limit.
I wonder why it's not how it's letting.
Why?
Well, the reason why is because you have the $97 account, and they only have 100. But you have all these different pages. Like this first one.
I have over 100 though. Look, it's I guess maybe 113. Pages as in steps.
Steps, I think so, bro. 11. Damn, you got some big.
I can delete this power real estate funnel.
Nice. Yeah. Click on. It's hard to
Uh,
delete. Anyway, let's go. Yeah, let's go into the magic funnel.
yeah, it's not near done yet. I haven't been working on it, but this is where I'm gonna set up my pixel stuff.
Oh, bro. Yeah, I'll just. Well, I can just send you the one that I have. But yeah, go to settings, and for anybody that's new, you can go into um, building your funnel. I mean, into the to black box training, and go to the bottom and click the black box business model copy funnel. Click that and get your free funnel there in your first 2 weeks. So, what you'll do is you'll click. Yeah, you'll go there.
Yeah, I need to get rid of all this. Still taking forever.
That's crazy. So you go to ClickFunnels and I'll show them where to paste it at. So you'll get your pixel. Well, you kind of need to see which one it is, but the head tracking code will go right there where it says head tracking code. You'll just
Yeah.
copy and paste it right in there, and
Okay.
go back to the Facebook pixel, see if it loaded. If
And
not,
so this is for just the whole funnel, not every page.
no, yeah. So for the whole funnel, which you want, it'll be on the head tracking, and then for every page you have to set up custom conversions. But in order to set up custom conversions, you have to have a domain for that page. You can't use a .clickfunnels.com because it won't register for whatever reason. I learned that because I didn't have a domain. I had a Bitly for one of them, and it wasn't working. So you had to get a full domain. So let's go open a new tab and go to business.facebook.com, let that load, and we'll go to the ad again, make sure everything looks good on there,
Okay.
and then I'll show people how to, I'll share my screen and show people how to set up a custom domain so we can do this all in one. So go to the Enagic Black Box. So you guys will go to the business on Facebook, and you'll create your Enagic, and then, oh, what the heck? Power Editor.
You know what? Maybe this isn't loading
Are you on
because
Safari?
yeah, I am.
Go over to Chrome maybe. I mean, mine works on both, but it does have better. I feel like it works better on Google.
Let's do it. Figure that. Let's see. Let's see if Pixels loads real quick.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's go over there and see. On Safari or on Google?
This is Google right now. Can you still see the same screen or?
Nope. I see the Safari.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah, do what you had to do last time. Yeah, now I'm on Chrome. I see Chrome now.
All right, so the Pixels loaded.
All right, so now go to. Wait, no, is that the right one?
Oh, this is grow. There it is, right here.
Yep.
Yeah, I guess it was Safari. So if anybody ever has trouble, try another browser.
Perfect. Yeah. All right. Go to Setup Pixel. This is a great way to show people. This is how if you go to Pixel in your drop down menu, this is what it'll show up. Manually install this code yourself, and then scroll down, and you're gonna want to take the number 2, the big one. Click that, and it'll copy to your clipboard. Now you'll go to your ClickFunnels, and you'll put this on your head tracking code. And this is how you put any pixel on any head tracking code website. back office area, whatever. So we'll go into here. We'll go into your calling and water funnel, which you've copied from the training, and then you can go to settings, and you'll paste that on in there, and then you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click save and update. And then now we go to Facebook, and we go back to continue. Now, and then you can just exit out of that right now. And then you could now go to your little sandwich over here, go to Ad Manager again, and go back to your ad, and it'll basically be all ready to set up and go. So we'll go ahead and continue this.
It popped up and then it disappeared.
Try to
use existing campaign. No. Refresh it maybe.
Choose one. Yeah, just refresh it, see if it comes back up. I don't know what happened there.
I did that last time though too. I'm afraid it's gonna do it again.
So weird.
I don't think it'll pop up at all.
Try to click use existing campaign.
Is this is an Magic or Adam's block?
It should just be popping up. I don't know why yours isn't popping up. What is going on? This is so weird. Click cancel real quick. Go to what in the heck?
It might have been because I switched browsers, maybe, but I don't think so.
It should be in here still though. Type
Oh wait, hold on. Maybe it is here, but this is my personal.
Yeah, it shouldn't be under there. No, it's not there. Go back and then let's just Okay, so don't know what happened. This is a weird thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you guys how to do custom conversions, and then you'll basically know how to set your ad up all the way. So let's just stop sharing your screen real quick. I'll share mine, and then we'll go from there.
All right, perfect.
All right, so here we are looking at my ad account, and we will go to custom conversions, which you can go to right here. And so what you'll do is you'll go to ClickFunnels, and you will find the page that you want. You'll copy that page, and then you will open it in a new tab, and you will enter it and let it load, and then you'll get this actual, and it may be the same, but you always want to do this because some are different. Copy that and go back to your ad account, click create custom conversion, copy that, choose a category. If it's the first page, they're just viewing the content. If it's the landing page or the blog or something, view content, and then click next, and then to the name. So this is Adam's blog, viewing Adam's blog. and then create. And this, because I already have one, it says no. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to create another one. And then boom, it'll come right here. And then anytime somebody does something on this link,
Yeah.
you will get notified. Facebook will capture that information and go out and find more people like that. And you want to do that for every page. So you go over here and you want to go to your second page, the webinar broadcast room. And you'll click this and you'll copy and you'll put it in the tab with the URL and you'll let it see that just changed dramatically. And then we go copy back over here, create, boom, done, choose, and this is, initiate or lead, or, you can put lead because now they're watching the presentation, they put their information in, and then click next, and then name it. And then you'll go over to audiences, but that's how you do a custom conversion. And then see, now I have a custom audience of 500 people. The size is 500, and that's how many people have viewed, or not necessarily how many people, but that's the people that have viewed the blog. And once this gets over 100, well, this isn't, no, for custom audience, sorry. This is just for like retargeting and stuff. So I now have audience of 500 people I can retarget to the landing page, to a different landing page, to then tell them to watch the presentation. Again, that's what the ad's telling them. So, excuse me, that's what you have to set up. We're going to be using this lookalike audience, which is pretty good size, and then we're going to be going and creating these custom conversions so that you can then create audiences or custom audiences, lookalike audience, etc. And so custom conversions are very key because they will help you track the whole process. Everything that comes here, you'll be seeing if it's happening. You'll do complete registration, and you'll see when people complete the registration, right? Excuse me. So that is basically how to set up your ads. You're going to want to go into business.facebook.com. You want to go to facebook.com/pages, and you're going to want to create your page accordingly. You can do a business, you can do public figure, however you want to do it, and then create some content for that page. Go to business.facebook.com, create your ads manager, create an ad account, and then you can add an ad account by going to, so if you already have an ad account or whatever, you don't know how, what you can do is add people this way, or you can go over to ad accounts and add new ad account, create new ad account, put the name on which behalf you want to advertise, US, your time zone, and select payment method, or you can do that later, and then create your ad account, right? So that's how you want to go ahead and do that. And then you have your pixels. You want to make sure your pixels are installed. You do have to do a little bit with the pixels. When you go to set it up, you want to show you real quick, Zach Burton's. And then let's do setup, and then manual, and you'll go to continue, and then you'll go right here where this is, and you'll go to your different pages, like this particular page. Oops. You go into edit each of these pages, and you go to settings and tracking code, and then you get this value. So this is track a lead. So we'll come over here. It would be generate lead. Boom. That's it right there. And let's see. I think that is it. But you need to install Pixel Helper. It's right here. It tells you if there's pixels on the page and if it's working. Then you take that over here and you paste that in. See the value. Where can you add the value? Sorry guys, this is Oh, uh, sorry. Just sometimes there's. Because there is no value. Oh, you can put 0. There we go. Dot 00. Put USD. I think, is that right? Yeah, USD 0.00. Sorry, guys. I've been a little bit since I've done this. So, yeah, right here, set event parameters. So when they view the content or generate the lead, I guess it's view content. That's because when the lead's generated, it doesn't have that option. Um, Interesting. So that's how you would go, and then your next page would be uh, your application page, edit. Wow, my computer's working hard. I can hear it. Tracking code. This one doesn't have a header. Okay, so I think we want to put one on the thank you page, maybe. That's why. Thought we did this on all of them, but guess not, because this is set up right. Yeah. I wonder why. Yeah, because I guess you can't put one on the register page or the webinar page because they're not really doing anything. They're just there, and you have that complete that custom conversion set up. So then you go to another one. You can track complete registration. So you could do like initiate checkout. Oh, sorry, initiate checkout. Complete registration, and then if you want to do event parameters, you can do that for all these right here. Put 0.00 and then put USD. You can do that for all those. And then copy right here, and then paste right there, and then save, and then bounce. And that is how you set up all of the different things. And then retargeting landing page, if you use my copy funnel, you'll have all this set up for yourself, and you can edit different things out of it or into it. But basically, that is the gist of putting up and putting together your ad. I definitely hope that helped you guys. Make sure that you have your domain from GoDaddy or some domain holder, and then ClickFunnels is very easy to integrate. You just have to go to GoDaddy and enter something on your URL forwarding, and maybe I'll make a video for that. If not, it's very simple. There's a step-by-step picture on ClickFunnels, and then you will go into your business page and your Facebook page, and you'll go into your ad account, and you'll set your ads up like this. Use those pictures, use that copy, and if you want to get creative or do something different on top of these ads, test that simultaneously. But I would use these ads because of right now. In the last few months, they've been working really well, so I would see that they continue to work good. But that's how you do it. And I'm going to go ahead and finish recording this and go over a couple other things with Dylan. But for right now, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys found this valuable. Please implement this, and we will really be able to catapult our success and really start helping you guys create sales. Get them on the phone with us. We'll close the deal.